Hi guys, my name is Ankit Srivastav and today I am here with a question before you. Can police interfere in a civil dispute under two conditions? One, if the civil dispute is not pending in any court of law, and the second condition is if the civil dispute is pending in any court of law. So, what do you think the answer is? Think about it. So, if there is a quarrel between two brothers, elder brother is rich, younger brother is poor. The younger brother says, "I want the entire house of the which belongs to our parents because you're rich. You don't need a share," and that's just a verbal argument between them. So can the police interfere in such arguments? Or the second scenario is that both the younger brother and the elder brother, they are in a civil court. They have filed a civil case that the house which belongs to their parents should be divided between them as per the law of the land. So can the police interfere in these two scenarios? The answer is no. Police cannot interfere in civil cases. पुलिस सिविल केसेस में इंटरफियर नहीं कर सकती. This is a very simple concept which most of even our young lawyers understand today, but apparently the police doesn't understand. So anyways, I would like to share with you one important case of Andhra High Court, where the Andhra High Court in the case GBC Rajgopal versus Government of Andhra Pradesh said, what happened in this case was that sister was living in Hyderabad, the brother was working in America, same situation, they had one apartment which belonged to their parents. The parents were no more there, so there was a quarrel between them. The sister got the police involved. The sister called the police commissioner, made some arrangements, and they said, let's call this guy to one of the police buildings and threaten him that you've come from America, far off place, for a few days on vacation, and we'll slap so many cases on you that you won't be able to go back to America. So he was summoned in that police station only once. So what this guy did was he went and filed a case. And it was, and obviously the court asked, why did you call this person to the police station? The police replied, oh, Your Honor, we just called him for counseling. So we just wanted to do some counseling and that is why we called him. So this is what the court held, that police cannot interfere in civil cases. Even if you're calling one person to the police station, which is not in accordance with the law, is a violation of fundamental right. So the victim was given the option to sue the police if he requires to claim any damages. And the high-handedness of the police was clearly a violation of fundamental right of personal liberty under Article 21 of the Constitution. So, Mr. Police Officer, when there is a civil dispute, it's not your jurisdiction. Please stay away. सारे पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, जब सिविल डिस्प्यूट है, कोर्ट में है, चाहे नहीं है, वो आपका क्षेत्राधिकार नहीं है. प्लीज दूर रहिए, वो कोर्ट का क्षेत्राधिकार है, आपका क्षेत्राधिकार नहीं है. And similarly, several cases have happened where very smart people, what they do is, so there's a civil dispute between two people, they try to involve the police. So one person really went out of the way. And this is a case which you can look up on the internet. It's a very interesting case from the Supreme Court. It's Commissioner of Police versus Devinder Anand. Criminal Appeal 834 2017. In this case, this person First of all, he goes to the police stations, files a written complaint. So police doesn't register his complaint. So he goes and files section 156(3). And when that is not successful, he goes and files a case under section 200. So he goes on, and using every section possible, he tries to convert that civil case into a criminal case. And the Supreme Court very beautifully said that this is an abuse of process of law. You cannot misuse the law to settle civil cases. There is a civil court for that. Please go and settle your civil disputes in those courts. There's another case, J. Lakshmi versus Commissioner of Police, Andhra Pradesh. And here a very interesting point has been mentioned. So if at all the police can interfere in a civil case, when can they interfere? Suppose these two brothers, the younger brother and the elder brother, they start fighting and they start breaking each other's bones and heads. Can the police interfere? The answer is yes. If there is a law and order situation, a fight breaks out between two parties, and a law and order situation emerges, then police can interfere. But there's a very big but involved here. Police can interfere only after registering an FIR. Without registering an FIR, police cannot interfere. And several courts have taken cognizance of this problem, that to settle a civil dispute, people go and bribe the police gets involved, lodges false cases against people to extort money, and that is unfortunately going on till date as well. So if there is a scenario where there's a dispute between two brothers, the younger brother says, parents left the house for me via a registered will, so the house belongs to me. The elder brother says, no, I don't agree with this will. This is a forged will. You must have forged the parent's signature or whatnot. So so if such a scenario occurs, what is the option? Can the police interfere? No. Still, police cannot interfere. The case is Gurmeet Singh Chopra versus Taruna Chopra, Delhi High Court. Here it's clearly said that if the authenticity of the will is in question, then probate court has the exclusive jurisdiction. Probate court has the exclusive jurisdiction. So police has no jurisdiction to interfere in a civil dispute, even if an allegation regarding the authenticity of the will is made. So that's broadly it. And I would like to remind you, please go and look at these cases, read them in detail. GBC Rajgopal versus Government of Andhra Pradesh, Taruna Chopra, Gurmeet Chopra versus Taruna Chopra, the Delhi High Court, and J. Lakshmi versus Commissioner of Police, Andhra High Court. And the most important case is Commissioner of Police versus Devendra Anand, Supreme Court case. So hope that this video is useful, and enjoy your day ahead. Jai Hind.